on video cassette, rated G.
The National Wheeler Service in Albany, New York, has issued a 10-year thunderstorm warning for Fulton, Montgomery, and Otsego until 1:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:23 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Wheeler Service Doppler and R indicated a 10-year thunderstorm located near Northampton, moving southwest at 30 miles per hour. Location that might be impacted included Mayfield, Perth, Johnstone, Amsterdam, Johnsville, Springfield, Otsego, Hardwick, Midfield, Surrey, Milford, London, Otsego, Lawrence, Norris, Manuel, and Butternut. For your protection, move indoors immediately. This storm may have damaging winds up to 30 to 40 miles per hour winds. Power outages may occur with this storm. If you're outside, you have a 50% risk of being struck by lightning. Please report 10-year Wheeler to the National Wheeler Service when you can do so safely.